Today we're going to be doing the Amber Energy Food Challenge.
Yes.
It's a holiday special. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
So, the more turkey you eat today, the more prizes you're about to win. 4 turkeys, you win a carton of Amber drinks and 10,000 naira.
Wow,
7
I
turkeys,
can't wait.
You win a water bottle and 10,000 naira.
Wow.
If you finish the whole challenge, you go home with 30,000 naira and more prizes. Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready. I can finish the whole lot.
So your challenge starts in 3, 2, 1, bite. Remember, you only have 10 minutes.
It's talking mad.
Well. Congratulations on that. You've won yourself a carton of Amber and 10,000 naira. Let's go.
For the fifth one, call. Which am I in?
Well, your next prize comes on the 7th piece.
7 piece.
Looks like you need more energy. More energy. Oh my god.
Tap out.
Oh my god. Flimsy. Are you for real? You tap out. Oh my god. Looks like you got defeated by turkeys.
I never knew this is how it was.
Oh my god. You have less than 3 minutes. Now, you have less than 3 minutes.
No.
Now, to spice things up, when you finish your speech, you're going to win a carton of Amber at 10,000 naira. But this time, I want to make you happy. If you finish your speech, I will give you a carton of Amber at 20,000 naira.
Oh my god. Okay.
And I beg, no die for here. You have to swallow everything in your mouth to pass. Please swallow. Your mouth has to be empty before you proceed, so I can verify your prize. And you have less than 1 minute. Can you smile for me again? You see, Amber Day for you. Oh my god!
This turkey wants to kill somebody.
10. Oh my god! 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You've won yourself a carton of Amber and 10,000 naira.
Hello, Amber, now do well. 30 December don't set.
I mean, it's just 10,000 naira. I don't know how dirty you can get.
It gets very, very dirty.
I don't know what that does.
My December is already polluted.
Well, congratulations. You have Amber and 10,000 naira. Amber Day for you.
I did for myself.
Congratulations. Yeah. Congratulations, Ivy. You've won yourself 10,000 naira and a carton of Amber, and an extra 10,000 naira gift from Nigerian food.
Thank you. I can take this on, Abby.
You're free. Happy holidays, Merry Christmas, and see you on the next one.
Look
Yeah.